We are pleased to show you the 2015 Soul. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine, and comes with a 6-speed automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, traction control, stability control, power brakes. Inside you'll find cruise control, cargo area power outlet, child safety locks, power door locks, power steering, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, one-touch windows, 2 cargo area light, trip odometer. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.